This video will show you how to remove and replace the shift knob on a 2011 PDK equipped vehicle. Removal of the knob is quick and easy. Just take your time so you do not scratch or damage anything. The shift knob is held in place by a collar on the bottom, red arrow. The collar is designed into the knob and you only want to turn the lower section indicated by the red arrow. I like to put a piece of cardboard around the base and use an adjustable wrench to turn the collar counterclockwise. You're going to turn it approximately 45 degrees. This shift knob is in the unlocked position. With the collar unlocked, you can simply lift it off. It should come off easily. If it is not, you may have not unlocked it completely. Turning the collar will release the locking tabs indicated by the red arrows. Make sure to set the knob to the unlocked position before reinstalling. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.